Today we're making a cute satin ribbon rose in just 5 minutes. All you need is pink or red satin ribbon, green satin ribbon, a lighter, a needle or a tweezer, but for this tutorial I'm using a tweezer. And on top of that you will also need scissors and a hot glue gun. I seal the ribbon edges using a lighter. I grab the ribbon end with my tweezer. I start wrapping the ribbon around the tweezer 2-3 times. Then I take my hot glue gun and place some glue on the ribbon so I can secure it tightly to hold its form wrapped around the tweezer. Then I start to twist the ribbon and wrap the tweezer around the ribbon. Twist it again, wrap it around, and secure everything with hot glue gun again. I start to twist my ribbon again and I twist the ribbon inwards. Once I've twisted it inwards, I'll wrap it around the tweezer that already starts to shape its little rosebud, and repeat this process of twisting and wrapping around, twisting and rolling it around until I get the desired shape. After twisting and rolling it around 2-3 times, I like to secure it with hot glue gun so it can hold its shape. Gently keep twisting the ribbon inward and keep on rolling to build up the rose center to create the soft petals. And to secure it, I keep on using hot glue gun. Once I reach the desired size of my rose, I grab my scissor and I cut off the ribbon as close as to the rose as possible, and I make a diagonal cut. I carefully apply hot glue to the end and gently press it down to the rose. I take my lighter to seal the end and carefully remove the tweezer. I take my lighter again and seal the bottom of the rose. Our little satin rose is done. As the next step, we grab our green satin to form the leaves. I cut a small piece of ribbon and seal both of the edges with a lighter. I cut off around 6 to 7 centimeters for that piece. I take my hot glue gun again and apply some glue into the middle. I stick one end to the middle. Then I place hot glue gun again into the middle and place the other end to the middle. Now that the two ends are attached to the middle, I will place hot glue again into the middle part. And now it's time to take my little satin rose and place it into the middle again. This way I will have a little rose with leaves, and we made a cute little satin ribbon rose in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials like these, don't forget to subscribe.